Hey guys, it's me again. I'm just not really feeling myself today. Anyway, you know how you guys love jailbreak like all the time? We have like 30, almost 40,000, maybe even 50,000, 63,000 people playing it, and it has 1 billion visits. Anyway, so basically, you know how you guys just really love this game and all. The other day, I saw that Jailbreak had only 500 likes, only and 7,000 dislikes. That's actually what I saw. And I'll just be. I could show you from the other day. It was like 500 people liking it and 7,000 dislikes. I'll get a picture that I took to save it to do this video. Okay. Okay, I got the picture. Let me just get it. Oh yeah, here it is. So right here, it actually had. See, I told you, it had like 700 dislikes and 500. That's weird. That is so weird. Whatever. But and it has 157 right there. See, yeah. Okay, so I don't know, but I'm just gonna go back to jailbreak. Let me just get rid of the photo. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to jailbreak and see because that picture I got or downloaded from the other day was about 2 days ago. I'm just gonna see how much it got, how much likes and dislikes it got now. Okay, now it's back to normal, kind of. And it has a billion visits. And all that other stuff. Okay, so I got some music playing for you. It's uh oh yeah, it's radioactive. Anyway, it's back to normal, and I'm just gonna wait like about a couple of days till to like to, you know what? No. Never mind. I'm just going to get rid of jailbreak. I'm just. I'm just going to get rid of jailbreak. Bye, jailbreak. Goodbye. Goodbye. The title is now going to be. I'm just going to get rid of jailbreak. Just rid of jailbreak. I'm getting rid of it. You can watch me. I'm just gonna stay quiet. Okay, guys, I am going to show you how to get this blue hat of Orient. So we just have to do this, inspect it. Um, and then 0 Robux, and then we just have to click that. See? Now we look in our inventory. So basically, if you glitched it and you see it in your inventory when you glitched it and bought it, it'll do it in blue font. But if you just buy it with that Robux, it won't show. So you might as well just glitch it and do it Maddie's way. Maddie, the YouTuber, she's really good. That's where I got it from. Maddie Roblox. Okay, be sure to subscribe to her because this is where I got it from. So that you know who, what she looks like. She kind of has a red hair with red cap. I mean, not red cap, but a cap on her head. And she has sunglasses or something. And, so basically that's what she looks like. Yeah. Okay, so now you just have to subscribe to her and me and like the video and like her too. Okay, see ya on my next video. Come on, intro. Click. Oh my gosh, where's the intro?